Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication skill builders, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are multiply by 0, multiply by 1, multiply by 2, and multiply by 3. So let's just start with the chapter multiplication skill builders. Okay, here I am on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is multiplication skill builder. So let's just start with the lesson. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definition as well, right? So make sure you have your notebook and pencil, no guesses. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiply by 0. Okay, the first example is 2 times 0, right? So the important thing here to learn is whatever number you are going to multiply it with 0, the answer is always a 0, no matter what the number is, right? So 2 times 0 is 0, right? 0 multiplied by any number equals 0, right? So 2 times 0 equal 0. So no matter what the number is, when you multiply any number with 0, the answer is always the 0, right? If the number is 2, if the number is 10, if the number is 100, 1000, the answer is always a 0, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Multiply 0 times 0. So 0 times 0 equal 0 times 0 equals, yes, the correct option is 0, right? No matter what the number is, if you multiply the number with a 0, the answer is always a 0. So that is a 0, right? Okay, the next one is 7 times 0, which is the correct option. Yes, 7 times 0 equal 0, right? Any number when you multiply with 0, the answer is always a 0. Jody, what's wrong with you? You're waiting here for your friends, not for the learning. Why don't you answer the questions I'm asking? Just keep calling your friend's name here. Today I'll ask administrator to talk to your parents. The next one is 0 times 8. So 0 times 8 equals, The correct option is 0, right? Any number multiplied with 0, the answer is always a 0. So 0 times 8 is 0. Okay, the next one is 0 times 9, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 9. 0 times 9 equal 9. Whatever the number is, if you multiply the number with the 0, the answer is always a 0, right? That is grade 3. Where is grade 1? Oh, sorry. Let me just add it. Hold on. Thank you for telling. So we are working multiply with by 0. So what we learned here is any number when you multiply it with 0, the answer is 0 no matter what the number is, right? 0 times 9 equals, yes, that is also 9. The correct option is 9. 0 2 times 0 equals 2 times 0 equals, yes, the correct option is 0. 2 times 0 equals 0. So any number you multiplied with a 0, the answer is always a 0, right? Okay, the next one is 1 times 0. Can you please check the next lesson name? Now it is grade 3 and let me know. 1 times 0 equals, yes, the correct option is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0, not 1. The important thing here is whatever the number is, right? The answer is always a 0, right? 0 times 5 equals, zero times 5 is 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply by 1. Okay, now we're going to learn how do we multiply the numbers with 1, right? You can see the table here. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. That means any number you multiply it with the 1, the number is always the same, right? 1 times 9, that is 9. 1 times 10, that is 10, right? So any number you multiply with 1, the number remains the same, right? 1 times 0, that is 0. 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times 2, that is 2. 1 times 3, that is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. And 1 times 10 is 10, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, multiply 1 times 7 equals. Very good. 1 times 7 equals 7. That means if you multiply 1 with any number, the answer is exactly the same number, right? The next one is 8 times 1. 8 times 1 equals. Yes, the correct option is 8. Yes, hi everyone. 1 times 8 equals 8. Okay, the next one is 1 times 1, which is the correct option. Yes, very good. 1 times 1 equal 1, right? The correct option is 1. 1 times 2, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Okay, what I think. Okay, the next one is 1 times 9, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 9. 1 times 9 equals 9. Very good. One times 4 equal. Yes, the correct option is 4 times 1 equals 4. The correct option is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Very good. Okay, the next one is 1 times 8. Gitane, what is this? The one you sent right before. What is this? Can you please explain? 1 times 8 equals. 1 times 8 equals 8. The correct option is 8. Multiply 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals. Emmanuel, what is this? Can you guys please stop doing this? I'm going to send screenshot to administrator today. Don't worry. They will call your parents today. 3 times 1 equal. 1 times 3 equals 3. The correct option is 3. 1 times 0 equals. 1 times 0 is 1. 1 times 0 equals 0. The correct option is 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply by 2. Now we're going to learn how do we multiply by 2, right? Okay, so multiplying by 2, here is the table you can keep in your mind. Also, if you know the multiplication tables, then that would be very easy for you, right? If you still didn't learn the multiplication table, it's time to learn the multiplication tables now, right? 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8, 2 times 5 10, 2 times 6 12, 2 times 7 14, 2 times 8 16, 2 times 9 18, and 2 times 10 is 20. That is just a table of 2, right? If you didn't learn these tables yet, start doing from today, right? Do one table daily and you will be perfect with the tables. Because if you don't know the tables, you cannot do the multiplication, right? And if you want to be perfect with multiplication, you must know the tables. The first one is 2 times 8, which is the correct option. Yes, basically that is counting by twos. Same it is. Count either you count by 2 or either you do like multiplication table. The concept is same. Very good. The correct option is 16. 2 times 8 equals 16. The next one is 2 times 10. 2 times 10 equal 2 times 10 equals, yes, that is 20. The correct option is 20. 2 times 10 equal 20. 2 times 10 equal, yes, the correct option is 20. PK, stop talking. 6 times 2 equal, 2 times 6 equals, yes, the correct option is 12. 0 times 2 equal, Yes, 0 times 2 equal to, the correct option is 0 times 2 equal 2. Okay, then what is this? 2 times 6 equal 2 times 6 equal 2 times 6 equal, no one is answering the questions I am asking. Just keep talking to yourself. 2 times 6 equals 12. The correct option is 12. 2 times 9 equals, yes, the correct option is 18. 2 times 9 equal 18. Very good. Okay, the next one is 2 times 8 equal. Yes, the correct option is 16. 2 times 8 equal 16. 2 times 10 equal, yes, 2 times 10 equal 20. Right? The correct option is 20. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. We are going to learn how do we multiply by 3. PK, you didn't answer. If they are not the multiplication tables, then what are? What is this then? Let's just start with the next lesson, that is multiply by 3. So we're going to learn how do we multiply by 3, right? So you can keep this table in your mind, that is 0 times 3 equals 0, 1 times 3 equals 3, 2 times 3 equal 6, 3 times 3 equal 9. Then how do you say this is not the times table earlier? 2 times 3 equals 6, 3 times 3 equal 9, 4 times 3 equal 12, 5 times 3 equal 15, 6 times 3 equals 18, 7 times 3 equal 21, 8 times 3 equal 24, 9 times 3 equal 27, and then 10 times 3 equals 30, right? So this is the table of 3, multiplication table of 3. Keep this table in your mind. If you didn't learn these tables till yet, try try learning one table daily, right? Right? If you want to be perfect with multiplication, you need to be perfect with multiplication tables, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, that is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equal 3 times 3 equal 9. The correct option is 9. Very good. Okay, 3 times 6 equal 3 times 6 equals the correct option is 3 times 6 equal 18. The correct option is 18. The next one is 6 times 3, which is the correct option. The correct option is 18. 3 times 6 equals. Either you do 3 times 6 or either you do 6 times 3. The answer is 18, right? Okay, 3 times 5, which is the correct option. 3 times 5 equal. Yes, the correct option is 15. Okay, 3 times 4 equal. 3 times 4 equal. Very good. The correct option is 12. 3 times 10 equal. Yes, it is. 30. 10 times 3 equal 30. The next one is multiply. 3 times 5 equals. 3 times 5 equal. 3 times 5 equal. Yes, the correct option is 15. Three times 0 equal. Very good. The correct option is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 equals 0, right? 2 times 3 equals. Yes, the correct option is 6. 3 times 2 equal 6. 7 times 3 equal. Three times 7 equal. Yes, the correct option is 21. The next one is 3 times 1. Yes, that is 3. Very good. Okay, you can complete the table by yourself, complete the lesson by yourself later today. We were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we were working on is multiplication skill builders, and the lessons we have covered today are multiply by 0, multiply by 1, multiply by 2, and multiply by 3. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? If you have any question related to the lessons we just did, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask question if you have any. No questions? Okay, bye everyone.